So the one Gracie called me this morning again. Make me hear what she said because when she did on her vacation down in Jamaica and me call her, she cuss me. Hear me and her this morning.
You see you, your mouse get where they don't get you. Your mouse get where they don't get all on social media. You have to make people know you're nasty, dirty ways. You.
What you talk about, Gracie? You're not.
Watch your same thing when you talk about you go have fun and coming back for round two. You know what? You soon get where they don't get. You have to make everybody know you're nasty ways.
So wait there. And nasty ways that? And nasty ways that? People not do they do.
Everybody have to know you.
So
you go where you come back and people don't know your dirty ways.
So you're not done scandalize it already? People must do they do. It's good for your brain, it's good for street.
No make Gracie here. I won't go Gracie no hear this.
Well, and I just have before you tell me good morning.
Me not have no good morning to tell you. Me I call you for here if you can't talk.
Yeah, you call me. I
Everybody have to know you.
I couldn't talk before, but now I can't talk.
Oh wow.
When you call me a disturb me for Gracie?
Come on your yard.
When you call me a disturb me for? When you're at Jamaica for your vacation one day and me I call you and you not call me. You say, oh, when you're there for your vacation, I'm not to disturb you because you know disturb me when I'm there for my vacation.
I'm not Jamaica, you're there for Jamaica, you're there. When you're there Jamaica, me no bother you. Come on your yard.
You know, have to be Jamaica.
Free food you want.
Come on your yard.
More say free food you want that you want me to come on me
Yes,
yard.
free food I want. Him don't give you where the duck get so him can't talk.
No, me not get where the duck get.
The dog get killed.
Come on your yard, man.
No, I'm not ready yet. Me a chill. Me a go.
What is this? No. Live over there.
Me a go stay. Me a go stay here. Me a go stay here. Everybody must do the do. It ease your mind. It ease your thoughts. It take rid of it take rid of sadness. It take rid of it get rid of depression. It get rid of all of it. No, me not have it. Me just I say when you're done, you can feel like you're there heaven. What you mean? When you do you feel like you're there heaven, right? Why? Cause you know have who to do the do with. You have to do the do when it's passionate. Yes. You can't do the do.
I walk up the step like one tree broke underneath. No, no. But I work out. They can say you're too extra. You're too extra.
Yo, me no know.
You should have seen how me I go up the step because I wonder why the man do me so.
Yeah, there.
Forest.
Here there.
Tree.
A Faris.
Okay, then.
I went and put down the one tree. I want tree thump, then put down there. I want tree thump, then put down the Gracie.
If I want
One tree thump. Make you walk so.
you're a break up.
Me say if I want tree thump, then put down there.
The man, me don't know. Them say me extra, them a rep say me extra. You come like say the man put one big piece of higher.
Yo, no
And
sir.
when the man put me say, in nurse look at me.
You know long me not do them
Them
city
say,
there.
them say swap first and he must scream. I say, no sir, when the man done, the man done.
You know do them city there.
I would think I drive go home. Because if need to work, you have to sit down somewhere.
Me have one way I do it for me already, so me good with that. Me not do them city.
You fit do your pop. You fit do your pop.
Me nah make the hand not flat out my breast.
Everything you not try to do. You fit do your pop.
Me nah make the hand not flat out my breast and me nah make the hand not push up there. Me already have one something I push there already. Me no want no more.
When you do my pop, me do it time if you don't know.
It's so nice, but I have to say it's so true.
Do it,
No.
no. You do it.
Do a
If you
long
feel
time I
you
not do it.
Right?
Like me examine myself. You know, say me I'm one doctor.
The instrument where doctor use to the pack up.
Excuse me I'm one doctor, okay? Me test me one
You have your own
self.
doctor.
No, me I'm one doctor, me test me one self.
Well, alright, continue doing it.
Yeah, I'm test me one
You go
self.
to my doctor.
Yeah, I'm bother with them all opacity thing there where them a make up put on.
Grace. Grace.
Max I call you.
What you want, Max?
You there?
Color low.
Color low.
Not raw.
You're there where you're there.
You know say you carry color low come over there what there?
Eh?
You did carry color low come there what there?
Yeah, but you give him color low.
I don't smell it.
But you never did it, you know.
They know for him, you're not dead here.
You there? Why? You there?
Color low, I'm sending go game.
And because me never did, the little couldn't left for me. No, sir.
Talk to your husband, don't talk to me.
Why? I'm not keeping a dirty color
I'm
low.
have some in a freezer. I mean, I like it in a freezer, you know, but I say I couldn't cook off everything.
Keep on a dirty color low.
So I go cook when me day off next week. So I have to get some more.
Keep your
I go see if my girlfriend can give me get some more for me.
Gracie, keep your dirty color low. Keep your dirty color
It's
low.
not dirty. It's not dirty. I try not get none because my kid do give you.
The do I go give me it back. No worry yourself. When me do the do, me get it back.
I want you mash up. You mash up.
When me do the do, me get back everything. No worry.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And that more if it happen to you, you mash up and feel like you just give birth.
They are mash up already.
Yeah, man,
Got a
it's a mash
party
up.
last night and come home, come mash up a thing.
Mm. When you come out your yard?
Me not ready yet, Gracie.
Last thing when you come out your yard?
Me not ready yet. Come out of my business.
Boy, sure.
That you call me.
I hope when you come back into America, you don't call me. Keep it same way.
Same so. Me not have to call you.
Yeah, show off yourself.
Me not call you. Tired of you. Call me because me not even say good morning.
Me no need to say good morning because me watch a video and told me upset. Me just said me call you.
So we are upset for Gracie because me I go do the do? Eh?
You know for me the whole noise, you dirty ways.
No, but everybody do the do once them have a partner unless they're not happy with the partner, unless the partner don't know how to do the do, Gracie. But if you live with your partner, you are going to do the do.
Yeah, make them have it in them head.
So what? Nothing wrong with that. That is nothing to be ashamed of. I know somebody else partner, me I hide and do the do with that me one. No, me not out there do none with nobody else partner. Me one partner, so me can't say what me want to say.
You're lucky, you have partner.
Okay. I'm my husband, me married for how many years? Over a decade. Yes, you disturb me because me about to go do.
Orange General. Galambo your business.
You know what I'm saying?
Our university. Galambo your
You call me
business.
and disturb me and me out to go do round 2 now.
Go and go to your round to us. I want to tell you, don't have to call the ambulance for you. Have a nice day. Bye.
I can't. No, sir. Gracie mouth was a filter. Honestly. Oh, I can't. Oh, God. Gracie mouth was G's. No, sir. Can't manage. They're just light, you know. They're just light. You know, you're on a friend Gracie? You're on a big friend Gracie? See, you get rough. I suppose. He's not a swimmer. I'm afraid of water. No, I don't afraid of water. He's just not a swimmer. I'm not talking about my can't manage, you know what I mean?